Number 6, what are the possible values of x in the equation 4x squared equals 64? So there's two ways to do this. We're going to do it by hand first, then we're going to show you how to do it using the calculator. So I'm going to write down 4x squared equals 64. When you have something like this, you want to get that x squared by itself, but there's a 4 attached, so I'm going to divide 4 to both sides of my equation. When I do 64 divided by 4, I get 16. Now, what we have to do is we want to get rid of that square, so we're going to take the square root of both sides of our equation, and I'm going to get x is equal to plus or minus 4. You have to remember that it's going to be plus or minus 4 because 4 times 4 is 16 and negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. So if I look, it's going to be choice 3. Now, the next way to do this is I could type 4x squared into y1 and 64 into y2. So if I go to y equals and type in 4x squared into y1 and 64 into y2, I can sort of use my answer choices. So if I look at choice 1, it says 0. At 0, I get 0 and 64. Those are not equal to each other. At choice 2, I have 4, and that gives me 64 and 64, but I should still check choice 3, because at negative 4, I get 64 and 64. So it's got to be choice 3.